shadow dims the light. The harvest waits, the time is near, but laborers are few. I fear, Lord of harvest, hear our plea. Send forth workers to the fields.
Ripe the fruit upon the vine, gifts of earth, a taste divine. Yet the bounty may be lost if no hands will bear the cost.
The harvest waits, the time is near, but laborers are few. I fear, Lord of harvest, hear our plea. Send forth workers to the field. Open hearts and willing hands, ready now to heed commands. Guide them, Lord, and make them bold to gather treasures new and old. The harvest waits, the time is near, but laborers are few. I fear, Lord of harvest, hear our plea. Send forth workers to the fields.
Let the grain be safely stored. Praise to God, our gracious Lord, for the harvest rich and deep, and for laborers He will keep.